day for this.
Well, we're here. I'm getting ready to board.
Definitely picked the right day for this. It is stunning weather. I mean, just look at that. That is just incredible.
Thank you.
That was the ferry ride on Ullswater. Was beautiful, really scenic. Well worth the money. We didn't really do any commentary on there because it was packed. It was so busy and windy, really windy. So wrap up warm if you're going to do that. And now we're just waiting to see if there's any more jets coming over. As we were driving in, one flew straight over. There's been a couple of little planes, but no more jets.
Someone definitely had a few too many beers when they time like this.
Definitely.
I'm moaning about the roads.
Nope. Definitely not. We've had an awesome day. That boat ride was amazing.
Trying to catch the fast jets going over.
Yeah, and every time we turned our back to walk away, one would go over. Sod's law. Just the Qatar jets, quite small in comparison to some of the RAF ones that we get. What a day. That was awesome. Seeing them Highland cows on the way up there, just had to stop. That was just that made the week. Just, I love cows. I'm obsessed with them. I have been since I was really little. And I'd just go and sit in the field with the cows and the sheep and helped raise 3 lambs because the ewe had died. So we bottle fed its 3 lambs and then gave them back to the farmer. That was cool.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, he probably did. But
And bring your jungle spray.
yes.
Been.
He's been a banquet today. Oh God.
Even though I'm fully covered, I still
Yeah.
managed to get it.
Yeah. Definitely bring your jungle spray with you. So we're gonna get back to the van. Have something to eat. I'm starving. Start getting packed up.
Master Chef. What beeped? What did I do? Have I paused it?
I don't know.
I put that on there and it was like, oh, I don't like that. Not exactly a master chef. Oh, I'm butchering this, aren't I? Oh, come on. Why is it sticking? Oh, lovely. Steak and chips. How long do we reckon? Whilst doing manly thing. Oh. Chill out now.
That's why.
Not drive, I'm just like focus. Need a pickle or something.
What?
Something to drink.
Okie doke.
Bit of a chocolate juice. Nah. Oh my god. Didn't think this one through, did we? Should I cut it with a knife, do you think? Can I have a knife? I think that's going to cut the steaks. We don't really have sharp knives. Because you don't trust me.
No.
Will that work?
I don't know. Kevin always gets the best jobs. Let me show you.
Ow. Ow.
Thank you, baby.
What?
Thank you. I only sent him down to change the toilet. And the police have turned up. Wonder what's going on. Oh, it's stuck down the bottom.
Doing my chores.
Are you doing your chores?
Yeah.
You being a good boy?
See you, honey. Yeah. Taking the dog for a walk. Yeah, what was all about? Only went up to the crap and 3 police cars turned up.
And to you, that is.
Oh, yeah. I'm doing anything. I'm innocent. Maybe it was a crime. It is a crime.
It is a crime.
Crime that you make me do these things.
You offered to do them. I do everything else. Do I not?
What was another one? Going for the comeback.
I heard that. You telling them that yours didn't bite.
That's alright. Don't worry, it didn't bite. They were like, oh, Oz thinks it will. Okay, yeah. I do make myself. Oh. Dear.
Can you get all the fun jobs?
God knows what that was all about.
I don't know. Have they gone?
Yeah, went up there then. Hopefully that'll work now. Properly. I'll take 3 dogs. You want them? Oh no, that was alright. Then I'm flying. Don't play in today amusement. If we try, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete.
get your reps in, get your reps in.